And this is looking like another transponder to add to the bodged at home list. There's a thin layer of sealant on, which I think is the sort of stuff you'd use in your bathroom. You can see there that it's a normal battery. It's not one that's designed to be soldered in, and someone's bodged a load of solder on there, and it's all rusty. And I'm amazed this thing, I guess it's worked for a while, but it's no wonder it's not worked for long, and then it's come to us to have it done properly. So solder joints, they shouldn't look like that. This great big blob of solder on there. Soldering's only ever done like that when people haven't cleaned things properly. You can see the battery just fell off the other end. So I've now soldered in a correct battery for this transponder. How solder joints should look. No big blobs of solder everywhere. Okay. And then onto the battery, the tags are welded on. That's how the correct sort of battery should be for transponders. Not a normal battery you go and buy for Boots, soldered on the ends. You know, you apply that kind of heat to a battery, you're not going to do it any good at all. When I put this, charge this transponder up like it is there outside the case, and give it 4 days of testing, which includes obviously making sure the battery will last for 4 days, and then also making sure it transmits correctly. Once that's all done, you'll then seal the transponder up, like these ones here are all being sealed up at the moment with the correct epoxy resins that are fire resistant and designed for use with electronics. Once that's all done, the transponder then goes back to you with a guarantee on it. You know, your transponders are very expensive. I'm not too sure why people who don't know what they're doing bodge them in these ways, because you could end up writing off a transponder just to save a few quid. Is it worth it? I would say not.